Write it out. Write it out. Cheese.
You are a cheese ball.
What are you playing with over there, buddy?
What you got? Show Mom.
Show.
Who's in there?
Mommy.
Our mommy and
Dada.
who else?
Baby Jesus.
Oh, who else? Anybody else? I see a camel.
Dancing.
Oh, is the camel dancing?
Ben dancing.
Ben can sit down right now.
Dancing. My dancing.
Get down on,
Down.
sit on your bum on the couch.
Beady, beady, beady.
Thank you. Show me what else you got. Who's that?
Dada.
Who else? Oh, is that where the daddy goes?
Choo-choo train.
Making a choo-choo train?
I'm it.
Is that the stable?
So,
You gonna show me who else is on there?
baby Jesus.
There's baby Jesus.
Here, baby.
Where'd he go?
Oh, I found him.
Show me.
I found him. I found him.
Good job. What are you gonna do with him?
Choo-choo train.
He's gonna be on a choo-choo train? Interesting. Hey, who else you got over here? Who else is at the nativity?
No butter. No butter. No butter. No butter.
Honey, I don't think the stable's big enough for everybody. Maybe he can stay outside with Santa Claus. Is that okay? Is the baby okay?
Babies, bushes, all through town. Shiny bushes. Alright. Stop.
Are you all done?
Yes.
Okay.